The 9 to 5 isn't just dying, it's being decompiled. In 2026, the Agentic Shift is doing to our jobs what the cloud did to on-prem servers 15 years ago. Your job title is about to become obsolete. A few months ago, a Fortune 500 CFO reviewed their budget and chose to deploy an AI agent. Rather than hire 40 analysts, the work still got done faster and without benefits. This isn't a future of warning. It's a reality currently running in boardrooms right now. If you aren't watching the pulse, you're already behind. We used to value hours logged at a desk, but today, efficiency is measured in token velocity. From my 14 years in tech, I remember when a team of 5 handled one manual deployment. Now, an AI agent can manage a global CI/CD pipeline while we sleep. The problem isn't the AI, it's that our corporate structures are still running on legacy code. We are trying to run 2026 AI workflows on 1990 management models. It's a system crash waiting to happen. The data is clear. Across the USA, the UK, and Australia, 40% of middle management tasks are being automated. We are seeing a massive shift toward India's digital growth, with the focus moving from basic support to building high-level agentic workflows. It's no longer about coding. AI can do that. It's about orchestrating systems. If your value is just doing the work, you are at risk. If your value is designing the system, you are the winner. To survive, you must become an architect of the pulse. Think of your career like a Kubernetes cluster. You don't want to be the single node that fails. You want to be the control plane that manages the nodes. Just like we transitioned from manual provisioning to Terraform and AKS, you must now transition from being a worker to an AI operator. Don't fear the automation. Own the infrastructure that runs it. The people who will be earning $150,000 to $200,000 plus in 2026 are the ones who can manage 100 AI agents to do the work of a 1,000-person department. The 9 to 5 is a relic. The future pulse is agentic. In this channel, we don't just track the news, we decode the technical reality of what's coming next. Stay ahead or get left in the logs. Subscribe to Global Future Pulse, and let's build the future together.